Today we're going to operate the 25 KVA PROFAB spot welder. I'm going to operate in a semi-automatic or single cycle mode first. Every time I step on the pedal I get a weld. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to operate the ProFab 25 KVA spot welder in a fully automatic cycle. Very easy to do. Simply raise or give the PX 1600 more time. And now it will automatically run in a fully automatic mode, meaning when I step on the pedal, I only have to step on the pedal one time. It'll continue to cycle. Just keep moving the part. And what I can do is give it more time or less time, depending on the part and how fast you want to move the part, so it's very operator friendly. The PX 1600 welding control is divided into two parts. The top shows the graphical symbols of the functions available, as well as the LED signaling the functions selected. The bottom part has the 4 arrow keys for programming and a two-digit display that shows the value of the function selected. Here we have the squeeze time, the current, your weld time, and current power are right here for your first foot pedal. Most every machine is shipped with just one foot pedal, but you can add a second foot pedal. Right here we have the number of pulses, so you can actually come together and weld more than one time. The machine will pulse. Here we have the holding time, pause time, and an energy function. It's very simple to operate. Simply scroll through and set up your values. You set up your values here by raising and lowering time in most cases. The ProFab 25 KVA spot welder is the workhorse of Production Products lineup. We also offer the 35 and 50 KVA spot welders, but for 14 gauge and lighter, this machine can do just about anything for any commercial, residential, duct shop applications. The tip holder on the bottom is a mini tip holder. It is small enough to where you can put a 3-inch part over the lower arm. We ship it out this way, the 8-inch tip holder on the top. Both of these tip holders are fully adjustable up and down. They can also be turned at a 45-degree angle by turning the arms on the spot welder. These arms are fully adjustable from 18 inches to 27 inches deep. They'll come out or go in further simply by loosening up these Allen bolts that are on each arm. So it makes it very easy. The tip holders have ejector buttons on them, meaning in order to knock a tip out and put a new tip in, you take that holder out, hit this button, it'll knock the spot welding tip out for you so you can replace it and put a new tip in. The PX 1600 control is real easy to operate, almost like operating an ATM at your local bank. It has a series of functions. You can scroll through to set up your machine for the proper weld and for fully automatic sequence or semi-automatic sequence. The ProCool water circulator is a great option, self-contained unit that supplies water continuously and coolant continuously through the arms. The arms are water cooled, and the electrode holders, the spot welding tip holders, are water cooled. So the PX 1600 makes it a very simple, smart machine, and I just can't see how it can get any better. The ProFab brand spot welder, the 25 KVA, the 35 KVA, and the 50 KVA, great machines. The 25 again is the workhorse, always in stock. Just call Production Products anytime you need one, and couldn't ask for a better machine.